And I want to give you some quick tips. MACS, the world leading resource and voice for sustainable mobile AC and thermal management, driving innovation and best practices across the globe, automotive and off-highway service sectors. I'm G. Trulia. And quick tip, did you know electronic leak detector, the proper use of the tool? Move slowly, not too far away, bottom of the fittings and lines. Remember, refrigerant is heavier than air. So make sure you take this leak detector and make sure you stay at the bottom, okay? You need a 2791, R12 and R134A, as we can see here, certified, or a 2913 that does both of them. Better bang for your buck. And don't forget to put it on its highest sensitivity when you're on 1234 YF. Put the fan on low, air coming out of the lower floor duct, and of course the AC system off. Leave it there for 5 minutes, no problem, and then you can have a safe vehicle. Thank you. Don't forget to get your MACS 609 certification. You can do that online or in person, proctor-led. Thanks and have a great day.